Hello friends, this video on Differential Equation Part 7 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched Part 1 to Part 6. So we are looking for parabola of this form. Why? Because it says vertex at origin and axis along positive y-axis. This kind of equation is nothing but x square is equal to 4ay. There is only one constant here. We know we will differentiate only once. So you get 2x is equal to 4a dy by dx. A we can put from this equation. From this equation we got a is x square by 4y because we need this value. So you get 2x is equal to 4a is x square by 4y. Right, into dy by dx. So this 4 cancels. So what you get is x square into y dash is equal to 2y. Sorry, 2xy. Correct, 2xy. X cancels. So you get xy dash minus 2y. And that is my answer. See, here also the tricky part is understanding this question, understanding that the question is asking for this parabola of this form, writing the equation of the parabola, and then understanding that this has only one variable a, so we will differentiate only once, and then we need this value a. We got this value a from this first equation. We have to find the equation of the family of ellipses having foci on y-axis and center on the origin. So that means I am looking for ellipse of this form. Here the foci is on the y-axis. Correct. So for this kind of equation, the formula is x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. This is the equation we get for this kind of foci, where a is this guy and b is this guy. Correct. So now there are two variables a and b. We have to differentiate twice, and let's do this. So this becomes 2x by b square plus 2y by a square into dy by dx is equal to 0. So that is my first equation. Let's differentiate once again. So this becomes 2 by b square plus, here you have 2y into y dash, right? So 2 by a square will take common. You have y into y dash. I have to differentiate, right? So I'll differentiate this guy first. This becomes y dash into this guy constant plus differentiate, keep this guy constant, differentiate y dash, this becomes y double dash. Correct? That's what we get. Now the challenge here is we define the value of 2 by a square and 2 by b square. And we can do this from these two equations. Because this is my solution actually. Correct. So this is a little simplified. Let's find the value of 1 by b square here. So, or 2 by b square we can find. 2 by b square is nothing but minus of 2y by a square into y dash by x. Right? This is what you get. 2 by b square is good. Minus 2y y dash by x a square. Let's put the value here. This becomes minus 2y y dash, right, by x a square plus 2a square y dash square plus y into y double dash is equal to 0. Correct. So in this case, if you see, or I get 2 by a square into y dash square plus y into y double dash is equal to 2y y dash by x a square. 2 by a square is common here. So what you get now, solution is x you have here, you put this guy this side, x into y dash square plus y double dash is equal to y dash. Or this equal to minus this equal to 0. That is my answer. Nothing great here also. The trick part was understanding this question, that the question is asking for the family of ellipse having foci on y-axis and center at origin. So you got this kind of equation. This equation has two variable b and a, so that means we have to differentiate twice. We did that and got the answer. Let's take one example. We have to find the family of the hyperbolas having foci on the x-axis and center at origin. That means we are looking for this kind of hyperbolas, right, where the foci is on the x-axis and the center is at the origin. So this kind of equation is of this form: x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Here also same thing, there are two variables, we'll differentiate twice. So let's do that. This becomes 2x by a square minus 2y y dash by b square is equal to 0. Again differentiate, again differentiate. You get 2 by a square minus 2 by b square is constant here. Y into y dash will become y into y double dash plus y dash square, similar to last question, and this becomes 0. This is my equation. Here also I have to find 2 by a square. Let's suppose I can find 2 by a square from this equation. So in this I say 2 by a square is nothing but 2y y dash by xb square. Correct? So put the value here. So this becomes 2y y dash by xb square is equal to 2 by b square y double dash plus y dash square. Correct? This guy is the answer, 2 by b square. So what you get is y dash is equal to x into y double dash plus y dash square. And that's the answer actually. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.